Hey y'all, I'm gonna be doing my bottom lashes using the duo glue. So I'm using regular strip lash glue because the lash extension glue burns really bad when you're trying to do your own bottom lashes. So this is better. It's only gonna last like 1 to 2 days, but I just needed to go out. So I'm gonna use my angle brush and I'm using bottom lashes. They're a B curl, so they're a flatter curl so that you can put them on the bottom. And I'm not really isolating, I'm just sticking them onto my lash, and some go onto my skin because I don't have that many bottom lashes. And you can see I'm just adding a little bit of glue, and then I'm putting it straight on to either my lash or my skin. Now, I try not to blink too much when I'm doing this. That way the glue kind of dries and is not getting everywhere. But at least my eyes aren't watering and they're not burning. And I just did this for probably like 20 minutes it took me. I kind of went pretty fast. And this is the end result right here.